On Thursday, the 26th of January 1984, a Mayday signal was picked up in Scarborough from the 132-foot long trawler Nevena, which lay sinking 14 miles northeast of the resort. Scarborough and Whitby lifeboats, accompanied by local trawlers Emulator, Our Heritage and Casananda, skippered by Fred Normandale, Colin Jenkinson and Dave Bevan, put to sea. They were recalled when RAF helicopters reached the scene. 11 trawlermen were lifted to safety and landed at Scarborough. The vessel was towed and beached on the South Sand, where it remained for 5 months, a great attraction to locals and visitors. Another view of the Nevena, taken from the lighthouse pier, with the elegant houses along the esplanade in the background. In late May 1985, the giant lifting barge and accompanying tug arrived from Kiel in West Germany to lift the Nevena off the beach. The floating crane belonged to Neptune Roda Bogalet, who was based in Sweden. Pictured just outside the harbour is the lifting barge, which started work on the 23rd of May. Within a few days, the Nevena had been taken to its berth in Middlesbrough. Notice in the centre of the background the ill-fated Holbeck Hall Hotel that crashed into the sea when the cliffs subsided in the early 1990s. A video for another day, I think.